Hello everyone, welcome to day 94 of a Stitch a Day 365 days crochet challenge. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to crochet this C wave stitch. So this is a very interesting pattern. It's crocheted a little bit differently than your usual crochet pattern. So it is better to follow along than to watch the entire video and crochet on your own. The stitch multiple is a multiple of 5 plus 1. Okay. So you crochet 5 and I'm going to just make 2 sets for the sake of the video and make 1 turning chain. Now into the first stitch you're going to make a single crochet. Into the second stitch you're going to make a half double crochet. Into the third stitch you're going to make a double crochet. Into the fourth stitch you're going to make an extended double crochet. That is, once you reach to this point, you yarn over, pull out of just one loop, and then again yarn over, pull out of 2 loops. Into the fifth one, you're going to make a triple crochet. This is a good exercise to remember all your basic stitches. When I make the next set, I'll show you how to crochet all the basic stitches. Now chain 3 and slip stitch onto the same chain as the triple crochet that you just made. Okay. Now, in the next one, you're going to make 1 single crochet. Single crochet is insert, pull out a loop, yarn over, pull out of 2 loops. The next is half double crochet, yarn over, insert, pull out a loop, yarn over, pull out of all 3 loops. The next one is double crochet, yarn over, insert, pull out a loop, yarn over, pull out of first 2, yarn over, pull out of next 2. The next one is extended double crochet, that is you insert, yarn over, insert, pull out a loop, yarn over, pull out of first 2, yarn over, pull out of just 1, yarn over, pull out of just both the loops. The next one is triple crochet. You have to yarn over twice, insert, pull out a loop, yarn over, pull out of first 2, yarn over, pull out of next 2, and yarn over, pull out of the last 2. So we have 2 stitches right here. The last stitch doesn't require the chain 3 and slip stitch, but if you're having more number of chains here, you have to chain 3 and slip stitch onto the same stitch as the 3 double crochet. Same stitch as the triple crochet. Now just chain 1, turn your work. Now bring your hook behind the triple crochet and make a front post single crochet. So basically we are going to do the same stitch in reverse but in front post. Okay, so first is a single crochet, front post single crochet. Second one is a front post half double crochet. Third one is a front post double crochet. Fourth one is a front post extended double crochet. Until this, it will be easy for you to find the post. The next stitch in the previous row is the single crochet. You have to make a front post triple crochet. Just go in between the half double crochet and come out after the single crochet. You will get the post. Yarn over, pull out and make a front post triple crochet. Again chain 3 and there is no chain 3 here. You skip the chain 3 which is right here from the previous row and you go in directly into the front post of the triple crochet and make 1 single crochet and again a front post half double crochet into the next one, a front post double crochet into the next one and a front post extended double crochet into the next one and a triple crochet into the last single crochet. Okay, this is what creates the 3D effect on the other side. You can see the waves forming. Now chain 1, turn your work. You just have to continue the same pattern. The front side is just normal stitches and the back side is front post. So make 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, half double crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 extended double crochet, 1 triple crochet, chain 3, slip stitch into the same stitch as the triple crochet and start making the next stitch, that is 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 extended double crochet, and 1 triple crochet. Again, you have to turn your work, chain 1, turn your work, make a front post single crochet, and it's just the pattern repeat. You have to continue making this till the length that you want. Do try out the stitch, and if you have any doubts, please leave it in the comment section below. I'll meet you tomorrow with yet another interesting crochet pattern. Thank you.